So we're taking the weekend off of renovating to have a look around the French Brocantes in our area. And I know you all love a French Brocante, so you can come with us. We're trying to look for inspiration for furniture that we might be able to use, second-hand furniture, in the kitchen area. Wow.
Isn't that here where they lived before?
Oh wow, that's beautiful. That is lovely.
It's beautifully made.
That is lovely. What's inside the cabinet here?
Nothing. Just drawers. But it's exquisitely made.
That is really beautiful.
I don't understand what it's obviously specifically for something.
Yeah. Well, if anyone knows, let us know.
Yeah.
How much is that?
Oh goodness. I wouldn't contemplate.
Lovely.
800.
Oh, this would be amazing in the craft room when I eventually get my craft room. God, it's so cool. Bloody hell, 680 quid. Yep, that can keep a dream. We'd just like to take this opportunity to thank all of you that made a donation into purchasing materials for the funds for the renovation of the cottage. Thank you so much to Shirley and Lucy for your donation for plasterboard, Kim and Graham for your plasterboard rails, Karen, Susan, Nicholas for your floor tiles, and Victoria and Laura for your general funds. Thank you so much, and a huge thank you to all of our patrons that help us week on week. Without your support, this couldn't be achieved. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with us. And we know that not everybody can make a donation. So for those of you that watch the vlog week on week, comment and give us all your good wishes. Thank you so much for being there with us. Yeah, that's lovely. I like that.
It's only 95.
See, that could be quite cool because I could keep my laptop actually like in there, couldn't I?
Yeah. Why'd you ever put it away?
I love that over there.
Nice.
Yeah. That's pretty, I like that. That's really nice.
What? 74?
That is pretty.
I like the depth of it.
Yeah, that is really nice. You silly bugger.
Look at that.
That's lovely.
That's extraordinary, isn't it? That's beautiful. I wouldn't even know where to start.
That is lovely. How much is that?
249.
249. Let's look inside. It's huge.
Yeah. It's very beautiful.
I really like that. I think
You
something
like
like
that?
I love these dresses.
So there is a thought that I'm thinking. You know, we're talking about having this divide between the two rooms, living space and kitchen. I could just, where we've got the big pillar now, I could just build a wall, you know, a plasterboard wall with the depth on it, so it hides that pillar, or has that pillar integrated into it, and it's just a wall. So we can still do all our electrics and everything in there. And then you've still got stuff to put your sockets in and all that. And then you just have something like this one side, in the kitchen side, and a nice desk or bureau or something the other side for you to work at, and maybe a shelving unit to put all your bits and bobs in.
I would like to get something like a dresser like this and do a paint job on it.
Well, I think that would be fabulous, because much as I like old brown furniture, you know,
We've got a lot of it in the
we've
chateau.
got a lot of it. And it's like old stone walls. They look beautiful, but we've got a lot of them.
We've got a lot of
We've
it.
got a lot of them. I don't know why I'm doing that.
Ted, look at this. Yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah.
It's not a lot of money. 149.
149. I love that.
I like this one. Simple.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, I think that's what that one does round here.
Yeah.
So we have a lovely deep. The only thing with things like that is that you've got to not put stuff on top of it.
Yeah, because you've got to open it. That's nice.
It's a beautiful tile. And the one underneath it is even nicer.
Yeah.
Look at the feet on it.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money. What a beautiful one.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So you could have it against a wall
Yeah.
and then lift the top up and it comes into a round table.
Yeah. This pulls out.
Oh, I see it's got another leg there.
Yeah. So this pulls out. As you see, it's going.
Oh, wow.
That pulls out like that. And
Yeah,
then you
flip
flip
the
that over.
table over. That is so cool. I really like that.
Yeah, 69. It's a bit. There's a bit of TLC.
Yeah, but I do
It's
like it.
A strange. I think that's.
Somebody's tried to repair it or... Oh, look, yeah.
It's got. But then that.
You can repair that, can't you?
Yeah, I suppose you could. Yeah, you've got a nice one for you.
How lovely.
69.
It's so lovely. Look at that.
Nothing over with this.
That's beautiful.
Hey?
Lift the lid up.
Just a box.
Yeah. I love boxes.
As you can see, there's an awful lot of old brown furniture, and the thing we've got to think about is, can we utilise it in that space, and can we sort of make it fit for modern living?
Yeah. I've got some real good ideas. And I think that's the best thing about going to the Brocante, isn't it?
Well, we did pick up a couple of little items for you to play with, didn't
We
you?
did. We did.
So it's very inexpensive, probably needs a bit of repair, bit of updating, again, to make it usable, but something for Lisa to have a go on.
You have to come back next week for that one.
Yeah.
And see what we do with it. This week we have a mortaring course. So we've got some guests turning up today, and we'll be doing the mortaring course with them, pointing and teaching them how to do the pointing. So that'll be really good fun. They're staying for the week, and we'll do a bit of filming, and you'll see that on Friday. And then we'll be
Possibly later on, because it does go through till Friday.
Yeah, it
So
might
may
come
well
out.
be,
Vlog
maybe a
might
bit
be on
later on.
Saturday.
Maybe a bit later on.
Yeah.
So don't worry, we're still here, but it just might be a little bit later on.
So thank you all for joining us. Don't forget, if you want to...
Like, subscribe, hit the hype button, comment, loads of comments, love the comments, and we'll see you again very soon.
Take care, everyone. Love to you all.
See you later.